Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving on Beechwood Avenue and we're going to look at the new Fesco gas station on Beechwood Avenue. It was recently opened and it's a very nice gas station, very modern looking, so we're going to take a look. Alright, we are on Oxford Road and we are now turning on to Halfway Tree Road, and then from Halfway Tree Road we go on to Beechwood Avenue. Straight ahead is the Flow office that used to be the Cable and Wireless head office, and then it also used to be the TOJ office. The first telephone company in Jamaica was TOJ. It was government owned, and then Cable and Wireless bought them out, and Cable and Wireless had a monopoly license, and then monopoly was there was no longer a monopoly basically, and other companies came along. And that's how we have Digicel and other companies in Jamaica now. But it all started from that location over there. Alright, so we're on Halfway Tree Road now and we're going to... Wow, that lady was not looking. And the motorbike came down. Okay, we're now turning on to Beechwood Avenue. Beechwood Avenue is a very popular road. It has a lot of very popular business places on it. On the right, where you see that tall white wall, is the National Bakery. However, I don't think their address is Beechwood Avenue. It's probably Central Avenue. Okay, so straight ahead now is the Fesco Gas Station on the left. Wow, it's a very busy gas station. Wow. Reminds me of the Fesco on the Boulevard, which is also a very busy gas station. Well, the one on the Boulevard is much larger. Has over 30 pumps. This one seems to be a lot smaller. But busy gas station nonetheless. It was officially opened. They had a ceremony recently. This one looks like it has about 24 pumps. The one on Washington Boulevard has over 30. Alright, I think we are stuck in traffic. Alright, so you can see how busy this gas station is. And believe it or not, the gas station on Washington Boulevard is even busier. We have videos up at that gas station, the one on Washington Boulevard, so you can take a look at it. Alright, so this is Fesco and Beechwood Avenue. Alright, we're going back to continue the tour on Beechwood Avenue now. Alright, so we're back on Beechwood Avenue heading towards Lyndhurst Road. Okay, on the left is stationery and office supplies. On the right is PBS, Productive Business Solutions. Okay, this is another gas station, Johnson's. Not as busy as the Fesco. Wow, can you imagine you have your gas station and then somebody open a gas station like a few meters away from you? Okay, on the right is a Jamaica Observer. And the new gas station is so busy that people are lined up waiting to get gas, and you have your gas station and it's literally empty. I guess that's what business is all about. It's probably about the gas price. Alright, so at this intersection now is Lyndhurst Avenue. If we turn left, we take Lyndhurst Avenue down to Crossroads. If we turn right, we take Lyndhurst Avenue down to Maxfield Avenue. As you can see, it's a very busy road. We're gonna go straight and stay on Beechwood Avenue. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.